Hey guys, it's Cuber here, and today I'm going to unbox 3x3 Rubik's Cube which I have ordered from Flipkart. So now let's open the package. So here I have removed cube and it is also packed. So now let's cut it out. So now I have just removed it. You can see. So the color scheme of this cube is pretty cool, and the comparison with my old cube, this is so smooth. You can see very smooth, and the size is almost big and very smooth cube is this. The corner cuttings are also good, and this cube cannot corner cut. And if you like this video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.